Welcome. Find a comfortable space. Close your eyes if you wish. This is a time for you, a time to connect with yourself, to find peace within. Let's begin this journey together. We are often caught up in the hustle and bustle of daily life. Our minds race with thoughts of the past and worries about the future. Mindfulness teaches us to slow down, to become aware of the present moment, to simply be. This is not about emptying your mind, it's about observing your thoughts and feelings without judgment. Like clouds passing by in the sky. They are there, but we don't need to engage with them. We can simply observe. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Let go of any tension. Allow yourself to relax. You are exactly where you need to be in this moment. Breathing is at the heart of mindfulness. It's a natural process, always there for us. We can use it to anchor ourselves to the present. Find a comfortable position, sit or lie down. Close your eyes if you like. Bring your attention to your breath. Don't try to change it. Simply notice. Feel the rise and fall of your abdomen, the coolness of the air entering your nostrils, the warmth of the breath as you exhale. Each breath is unique, just like this moment. If your mind wanders, it's okay. Gently guide it back to your breath. No judgment, just a gentle return. This is the practice. Spend a few minutes focusing on your breath. Notice how it makes you feel more relaxed, more present. This is the power of mindfulness. Our bodies are constantly communicating with us, sending us signals, but we are often too busy to notice. Body scan meditation helps us to reconnect with our physical selves. Lie down on your back, arms by your side, palms facing up. Close your eyes. Bring your attention to your toes. Notice any sensations, warmth, coldness, tingling, pressure. Slowly move your attention up your body, through your feet, your calves, your knees, your thighs, your pelvis, your back, your chest, your shoulders, your arms, your hands, your neck, your face, and finally, the top of your head. Spend a few moments with each body part, simply observing the sensations without judgment. If your mind wanders, gently guide it back to your body. This practice helps us to develop a deeper awareness of our physical selves. It can also help us to identify and release tension that we may be holding in our bodies. Mindfulness isn't just about formal meditation. We can practice it in our everyday activities, like eating. How often do we eat on the go without really tasting our food? Next time you eat, try this. Put away your phone, turn off the TV, eliminate distractions. Look at your food, really see it. Notice the colors, the textures, smell your food. Take a deep breath in. What aromas can you detect? Now take a bite. Chew slowly. Savor the flavors. Notice the textures in your mouth. Pay attention to how the food makes you feel. Satisfied, content, grateful. This is mindful eating. It's about being present with your food and appreciating the nourishment it provides. Section 5, Walking Meditation, is your journey in the present moment. It's a wonderful way to bring mindfulness into our days. It's about basic attention to the act of walking, to each step, to your surroundings.
This place where you should just walk for a few minutes. It could be indoors or outdoors. Start by standing still. Feel your feet on the ground. Notice the weight of your body and begin to walk. Pay attention to the sensations of walking, the lifting and placing of your feet, the movement of your legs, arms. Notice your engage all your senses, but don't judge. Simply observe. Be present with each step. If your mind wanders, gently guide it back to the sensations of walking. This is
Section 6. Guided Imagery. Finding Peace in Your Mind. Guided imagery is a powerful tool for relaxation and stress reduction. It involves using your imagination to create a peaceful and calming scene in your mind. Find a comfortable position. Close your eyes, take a few deep breaths. Imagine yourself in a place where you feel safe and at peace. It could be a beach, a forest, a mountaintop. Engage all your senses. What do you see, hear, smell, feel, taste? Make the scene as vivid as possible. Spend some time exploring this peaceful place in your mind. If any worries or anxieties arise, gently acknowledge them and let them go. Like leaves floating down a stream, return your attention to your peaceful place. This practice can help to calm your mind, reduce stress, and promote feelings of peace and well-being. Section 7. Cultivating Gratitude. Appreciating life's gifts. Gratitude is a powerful emotion. It helps us to appreciate the good things in our lives, even when things are tough. Gratitude meditation can help us to cultivate this feeling. Find a quiet moment, sit or lie down comfortably. Close your eyes if you wish. Bring to mind something you are grateful for. It could be big or small. A person, a pet, a sunny day. Focus on this thing you are grateful for. Allow yourself to really feel the gratitude. Notice the sensations in your body, the warmth in your chest, the smile on your face. Spend a few moments with each thing you are grateful for. You can do this practice anytime, anywhere. It's a wonderful way to shift your focus from negative to positive. Section 8. Navigating distractions. Gently returning to the present. It's normal for your mind to wander during meditation. Don't get discouraged. It happens to everyone. The key is to notice when it happens and gently guide your attention back to the present moment. Think of your mind like a puppy. It likes to chase after squirrels, thoughts, worries, to-do lists. When you notice your mind has wandered, gently acknowledge it without judgment. Then gently guide your attention back to your anchor, your breath, your body, your senses. It's like training a puppy. It takes time and patience, but with practice it gets easier. Remember, mindfulness is a practice, not a perfect. There is no right or wrong way to do it. Just keep coming back to the present moment. That's all that matters. Section 9. The Journey of Mindfulness, Embracing the Practice. Congratulations on taking these first steps on your mindfulness journey. Remember, mindfulness is a lifelong practice. There is no destination, just the journey. The more you practice, the more you will notice the benefits. Increased focus, reduced stress, greater emotional regulation, a deeper sense of peace and well-being. Be patient with yourself. It takes time and effort to develop a mindfulness practice, but the rewards are well worth it. Thank you for joining me on this journey. May you find peace and joy in the present moment.